Hi, this is Gary with Gary's Sprinkler Repair Service, and today I'm going to show you how to set and program the new Rainbird ESP Tm2 timer that is capable of going Wi-Fi. If you enjoyed the video today, feel free to subscribe to our channel, give us a thumbs up, like, those are always cool. And if you have any comments or questions, feel free to leave them in the comment section below. And we'll look forward to helping you out with any other videos we got coming up. So let's get this done. All right, one of the first things you want to do is take this door off over here on the left before you start installing it, and also remove this lower panel. I'll show you how that's done real quick. Try to do this with one hand. It's actually pretty easy. You just grab that, pop it towards you. There, the door's off. And then you grab this lower panel here, you squeeze it on both sides. Right here, there's a tab on either side. Squeeze that, that comes off. That easy, you're back up and running. Ready to start installing. You can see here they've got a reset right here, so if you ever had to reset the timer, that's ready to go. You can see where it's talking about it's Wi-Fi ready, which is cool. This is also an indoor model, and when you're ready you just peel this sticker off right here and you buy the module and pop it in. And alright, now we got all the wires connected. I'm going to go ahead and plug the power cord in that comes with it. It's already hooked up. The cord, you can see, you don't even have to mess with it. You literally just go up and plug it in, and then we'll be ready to. All right, let's not forget to pop the lid back on down here, and the open and close lid I'll hook up here later once I get done with the video demonstration on how to set and program the timer. So next we're going to go up here to how to program the clock. So you can see I've just turned the timer sitting in off, hence it says off. It says the time that comes from the factory now that we have power. So the first thing we want to do now is we want to go to auto run. Tells us it's Sunday and it's noon, so that's not going to be correct. So we're going to go to date and time, and we're going to change date and time. It's not currently the 1st of January, so we're going to come up here with the plus or minus. We're going to change the day first off to today's the 23rd. So I can just keep hitting that until I get to the 23rd. Sorry, I'm trying not to shake the camera here, but oh, a little finger slip. That's always good for a little unprofessional humor. Okay, we got that part. Now we're going to go forward, make the month blink. We're in May. Go forward, change the year to 2018. Okay, we're done there on set date and time. We can go forward and double check. Actually, I think I need to set the time still. And time now is 2 o'clock. So we'll set this up for 2 o'clock. We'll go forward. If I needed to change the minutes, we could change the minutes as well. And then we're AM or PM, so I should say, keep going. We'll go back through it again real quick. Back up a little bit, make the AM or PM blink. Because it's PM, we're going to hit plus. And we're going to change that to AM or PM. We got to scroll up to the hours to make it go to 2 PM. So let me get up there, sorry. It's a little tricky to do with one hand. All right, 2 PM. So if you scroll past AM, you'll get to PM. Now we're at 2 PM where we need to be. Next, start time. We'll set this clock to kick on at, let's say, 6 o'clock in the morning. And I think for now, this time of the year, it's still springtime kind of out here, so we're going to leave it at that. 6 AM. If I wanted a second start time, I could just go forward here and put that in. Midnight is where you clear that position out in the fall if you didn't need it anymore. But for now, 6 o'clock once a day. Here's our station run times. We have 10 of them, so we're just going to go initially until I check to see who's who. We're going to just do 10 minutes on each one. So there's 10, go forward. 10, go forward. 10, go forward. Now this part's kind of boring. I'll pause it. Now disabled because it does not have a rain sensor. It's bypassed. Seasonal adjust. It's normally at 100% on all your zones. It's kind of fun. If it's going to be hot for 3 days, it's going to be super, super hot. You can adjust that to 150%, put it back to run, and it'll change all of your start times and all of your programs all by itself. It'll increase all their run times by 50%. It'll change the start times as well automatically all by itself. It'll know to move those forward. So, and in the fall, you can go the other way. So if it's going to be 113 for 3 degrees or 3 days, come over here, change it to 150% with a plus sign. A couple days later, cools back down to normal weather. Come back over to seasonal adjust, take it back down to 100%.
put it back to run, you're done. And you can go the other way in the fall. But the nice thing about that is it enables you to be able to change 10 stations with one move. All right, so pretty easy. Literally, when you're ready to turn this into a Wi-Fi timer, it's now not Wi-Fi capable. But if I wanted this to be Wi-Fi ready, with all you do, as I stated earlier in the video, you pull this little tape down, you buy the module, you slide it up in there, and now the timer is able to, it becomes a just like your phone in your hand. You can now look for your Wi-Fi network, connect to your Wi-Fi network, that'll show up, put in your password, and now you're connected to your Wi-Fi. And then you just download the Rainbird app off the App Store, and you can sit there and program everything on your clock, just like we did right now on the timer. And now you can do everything on your phone or on your laptop or your computer, whatever you want, and you could be sitting on a beach somewhere in the middle of nowhere and go, oh wow, did I turn my timer on? You can literally pull up the app, check it, and if you forgot to turn it on, you can turn the timer back on, even if it was sitting it off. So it's pretty cool. Manual station, this is if I wanted to go through and manually run a whole program. I'd just go ahead and hit the plus sign, put it in run, and now it's going to run the whole entire A program. If I wanted to just run a specific zone, I can move over with this and say zone number 2. I want to run it for 10 minutes, turn it on. And it'll just run number 2, shut off, and be ready to go for its normal date and time. But if you want to do manual all, you literally say manual all, and then hit enter, with the button, and then turn it back to auto run, and you're ready to go. And when we're finished here, all we have left to do is put the door back on, and that snaps on, and we're finished. And then we just put the dial to run, and we're ready to go.